I'm David Miller, professional shooter and coach, and today I'm here to talk to you about the new Garmin Xero S Trap Trainer and how it's going to make you a better trap coach. All right, coaches, here's the data. In this particular round here, this student shot 21 out of 25, and their break factor was 65, okay? So what's that mean? That means you can take a shooter, say you got an excellent shooter on your team, and he or she is always breaking 99 out of 100. So what's next? What's next is how well can they hit those targets? Let's take this break factor to a new level, all right? How well can they hit 99 out of 100 targets, okay? So you're precision shooting your shotgun, and you're just tightening up their game, making more hits, but you're making harder hits. So that's taking your team to the next level. So that's just the break factor. There's a lot more other excellent data that can be found and stored here. For more information, check out the free Xero app.